Sina, certainly, you know, my idea.
Said you need power tibia, baby, who be in a good rubia. One day, who will know one fast, you will die. People are dying. Now, so people are mocking us. A tear for me, boy. You're mocking you. Said you mocking Christopher. You're mocking you. They were mocking us. They were mocking us. They were mocking us to the level of. Obi timi sibiri na no he was na mo na mo so mo ye Christopher na mo yes to no ho de nti Abraham mo shenya TV station no wa betena so say there is no second coming. Bible sibiri ni be kwa wie ya emumu yo be do so nti nipa no bibiri do anu bejo ye be dada nipa no bibiri nti sugidi a wanya no mu yie sugidi a wanya no so mu yie o say ye bu Christopher say ye Jimmy for ye nim ye nim amanfo ye busy e pesika ne japade wa bre wo mo ye busy e pesika ne japade no ebi ba kokora 1 cedi kobo de sule ontimi fa bi ni nachi enti so wode na dwene na koma nyina kokodi sika nachi na wankai ne bofo ne mra ntibire man sa na dabone ehu no isum ka bi bomu na ba no wa ye useless timi hie obi no wasi mi wosika me de me ho me wodi me wadan no wagya Yesu Kristo wa no ho ye mmobo. Yes, because we want to say, well, it's like you're renting it. Oh, rent it, okay, including a tadia shower, you're renting it. One day you will die and somebody else will put it on. So what you say, you are renting the place that you are. If you know what, but you're renting it. Because one day you will die and they will grab you out from that house. See, can you open the mansions no see your power body you pay years and near to find you any. But one day you're going to leave all these things. Until me pursue need to for whom bonny beba more than who yinta. Miss Rawonofo and Madi Air Cosum in Yawo. Don't. Too much is going on. I dear bet you be it yes and fufro. And then you try American Hanama. Ubi down, no sorry, I'm not cheat you. Can be shame. Ting. Niyoku. I create a friend say our parcels and one way or Texas or one Mexican border. Ubia to the Boasia dynamic. Atina kem after 2 AK-47. Ako kum nipa atoyimu or kum nipa 20. Injury many. Ohio, Ubia da sorry. O nim di obeye o sorry ya club o kodru ho ten o kunkum nipa. You have no idea the day or the hour that you will be out from this earth. Enti bebi a wonam bia na waboa ho emumu ya doso wo se brene be kwa wi ya nipa be ya ho pefo. So what you say? Nipa be ya now people have stress because when you uja Yeshua, there is no peace in your life. Now people are doing drugs to release their stress. People are doing pornography to release their stress. People are sitting on Facebook to insult each other to release their stress. People are doing so many kinds of things to release stress into one more. Now general a boom on found. When you are obeku easy. So what you say? Now you can't even trust anyone. Andrew said that when I share Facebook, you should know more commercial about now Ghana, now our Ghana. First, the country I can't tell no be a man left. No do come baby adebeko. It will be me tell the animal. And may uja kukudru jina kwa left ubenya be free on kukum. And now bit to me shut that effort me oba etna kem no obi abotai atnachiri to send your passengers in the boom. You do one ma okwa oh you make me see wa ha na ya fa na do what na kan say ye kukum na ye krofon obi be kasa kidnapping bi kra bi ni America aha no mo ene na sante. When you see once me hu two van car van na esisi won na hwehwe bi anim na anim nko no hu so ma pack 1 2 a enko pack mfimfin don't do it ye be kidnap easy hu se van no ba ku sia mfimfin da ho a hwe yi no wamfa aka na nkura mfimfin ampake ye be kidnap easy now be bia na wo yam hwehwe because nipa jerade ho nti ye kunkum ye ho. We are killing each other. Now, asumdwini asasisu, asumdwini ye yifra asasisu de ko. Womo mu asumdwini womo mu Kristo Yesu. Womo mu kuta asumdwie, ene womo mu Jesus Christ, ene wonya amane korawe a na asumdwino, oni obi ani asem. Right now, we are facing a lot of things. Would you want to say? Ebre we are ye woman, e ye breboni. We are living in last minute. So woni mo me de me baby aya na me bokoko. Ya na me mpese me twa gine baby because enema ekoso no e too much. Nti si yankasa you will be feel ho. Empofu mu so na papa no obeba. Whatever we are doing on this earth, whatever we are looking for, the eni abre ho ade nti obi kwa aduro so ekoto no e de say agwalagwa. The nti obi kwa aduro so ekoyi obi afiri ho na dwuma mu position the nti amanfo ye sa nyina ne se they just want money, they want cars, they want houses. Na me busa me ho se nipa we na bibia na wo gya urade ho no wu ni yensie ne se Kristo ni opon ba so nimfa so nche. But now we become laughing stock. Everybody insult us. Obi cry bibi na wo pese wo tu ne fo na kire ne se de wo ye no emfa nkwaje emre no o se ade na wo kasasa nipa sabre we ya ye wo mu ese nipa sori a wo de na no eto bo so no wase no de abetena se no wadi amanfo atem sa na ayesese nti so wan hwe ya now enima na first nipa ferry to do it so obi kra be insult to penny obi be can be bonny obi be use to filthy words in public. Now, everybody, they use filthy words in public. They say too much things. It will be a money be and simply free woman because of whatever they were hearing. Abomination words. And some free nipano, but this time no, and no crampono is curses upon people. People are so cursed that they get to the point that they have to kill to survive. Ubi to me first you know paper no the atana the came was ye kokum. Udru baby no run the grass pa we are not police and cheno na suma dwene no akwa kope baby no ada emra ye wo mu no enya ahotobre ebrewe ahoto ni asasi so nti mesrawo hey it's not going to be cool, it's not going to be easy. Abusian enamfofoni asafudim brone no so abruchiri krudua wote so awari every corner the problem will come from every corner. Nti de bia wo sori a no fasting will see bet no one make sure say rade mo na de bi sida no bia no omma wakoma ubitumi age na wo be survive for the day. Too much things is going around us. Sabre we so the nipa bi feel fisi nyame wo. Obi si wo atheist, obi si wo nyame ni, obi si first wo no wo hwa ye de ne kwa sorry but wo no wo check no Yesu bi na wo de na ba na onte ase. Obi so ato ne bo ase nya de say TV station. Ye bo de wo say Jesus Christ is coming back again no. Ono so say Yesu Kristo bi amma bi. There is no second coming. Nti people are confused. And now no stress adoso nti obi ama na kete so a no do Facebook. You mu bebre agigi chembe ho ha ebi bebre agigi flat e wa ha enye common ebi kura agigi houses enye common e wo Facebook ha ni YouTube niema e koso no emfa nipa nkonkwajem nsem bia yete no ama you focus e dwane firi Yesu Kristo maya e toso mi no no because di bia na da ubeti we sisi nti Facebook are you super busy and some if you hoba no nyini nyina na boye first na nko bi obayi a na odi sie omo and there will be to me person Charles say yes or to me to one me nipa ketwa me ye bay for pa we are me you say and now people they just use this mouth and say it out loud. Now everything is naked. So what you see bibia ni yo nyina eso bie e wo de ne na wasem nanim nti wo te wa no wasunso no way very careful no one focus ejina Jesus Christ so because now first ne nipa bi fere se wo be yi na okuta honhum bi a ontumi now no de o ma hyene se batakari no mo de apa adwuma eye nti wo hia do de dia se kape Yesu Kristo ni nso hwe ni nyina ne se o bibi bo e bo ne ho ban nti wo say nipa na wo kan ho so wo nyane anto Kristo no wan ko hye ni nyunu na se a they will sit down. They know themselves that they were going straight to hell because they don't want to change. They will drag you with them. Sometimes when you see people with boldness, they were talking. Now Jesus Christ ni make hu se bibi foforo sha say. When you see a person speaking with boldness, with no Jesus, focus. Money now. Ne hu se onte hokwa. Okay? Aha yete no. Se nyanyame Jesus Christ. Ne bebo wasafuchi dom. A wo beka se ne de ni akokoduro so a. Yemfa no tuhunu ntena. Nti ukoto so obi ye bibi. Na dia oye no emfata Kristo. Enye Jesus Christ yanka wonye. Eni Bible num se wose yesa. No okuta akokoduro e de ye wani gie so a. No hu bebi ugina. Sadi pa no utie na no are very careful. Including false pastors, false prophets, nyakom. Etu atese enyakom. Ama nipa bebre now no enam se obonefo de niam gu nipa so na nipa gya awade ho ni nu yinti ye gya Yesu Kristo so ho ye gya Jesus Christ so ono anka okuta base mu den ense mu den obetumi ehim ye firi gem obetuma gi ye firi abra ya date wufo na obonefo na asesa niam de ba yeso abekuye abeso ye hwene na nka ye nhumi biim no na Jesus Christ pure. Satam Yesu so ye be papa no satam no na menu mienu ye ja papa ne ho and we are doing the things that we feel like doing it. Na Bible ne baby anya me de bi o Bible ne ka osenkafo na me no nkenkan bibi ho bi o Bible ne ka osenkafo Ecclesiastes chapter 12 me start from verse 1 going. Also remember your creator when you are young, before the days of trouble comes and the years that cut up with you. They will make you say, I have found no pleasure in them. Remember your creator before the sun, the light and the moon and the stars turn dark and the clouds come back with rain. Remember your creator when those who guide the house tumble. Strong men are stooped over. The women at the mill stop grading because there are few of them. Remember your creator before the days of trouble comes. Ose kai wo bofo omranti brim ansa na daboni a ehu aba. Daboni bi wo yenim wo wodofo. Daboni bi wo yenim a ehu pa. Daboni bi wo yenim a enye han eyesum. Daboni bi wo yenim a enye sere eyesum. Daboni bi wo yenim a enye nije eyawreho. Daboni bi wo yenim a aduane kwantimi fa bi nkan. So what you say? And it now wo den anka wo so bibiem a wo betumi ayem. Chiwanjini eno wakoma nyina fa se Jesus Christ so. Anye sa wo be ye adwuma yehunu wasasi so. Me kame chiro. Nsem ekoso ne de wo so be bi waso pade a Jesus Christ won so mo da. Me kame chiro. Se de ye di ye master matem no enye kom. Now it's coming. Maka chiro last say our journey Christopher ye journey ba be hyase 2020. E won tete ye no hyase hu. Nkofo be ye mumuyode am ye be stop Christ for to not even mention Jesus Christ na campus ya kwa son them. And won't they were doing the work. Said the beya omubenya mra ejina so. I stop with Christopher. Do not even sit down. Ka oba Facebook. You be one and obo Jesus Christ and cut off. A time will come. Say the one and so we over to see a Kenya Miasama for being never born to man and I wouldn't say that. A bedroom may be ye between the seminar ban, young Maya claim the young fast and Mabim. A bedroom may be a mere some who but yet near my into over told me a cabia, no for be now the sea. And Muyone Baba Bedos watching say, now Satan is for Bokoin, over to you say, where I can say, where you say, or no medium Abba Beshamra. They were gathering all their facts. Womudi Baba Beshamra be to one man say, I saw them you so qua, you will be in trouble. Yet the Baba Beshamra man say, to even hold your Bible no bear dear power. To even mention Jesus Christ no a believe woman power. It will be a time. Say Christopher prevent you Krania ya sorry woman from my. Why? Because we are coming there to mention Jesus Christ. A bedroom may be fear and I was here sorry I know about show basement who American national basement who Germany and national killer. No what to my sorry they won't allow you. All these things that you're hearing, all these things that is going on, gather their facts so that they will, when they put the law on the maybe bar, you can't even open your mouth to say anything because they can quote you one or two things or more facts or more gather or more facts just to stop Christians to not mention Christ. Ntinema wotie the ekoso adechi wesisi obi woso for eti for me pese me mu nyina mote ase ese ye wonyame sofo ho ene ye wo bonsam sofo so ho ni pese me kire mo there is two kingdom ahini mienu na ye adwuma sesei enti sa wo koto ba bi ni ese wo sofo kra miss wo mu ye mienu enti se ni wo fake ni wo real things enti now no nam sesei tan adwuma no wo ya be hye na adwuma na se asabre all gather the facts enti no. He's using his own people to stir the stew. Nkwande sisono no mu chas yinu. Enka ne manfra. Nti di woni mu no beto a was ye Christopher but na wo be come deep down no. Hum mu no na nye Christopher na yesa. A Christopher kan they won't do such things. And niema ekoso this time no ayehu. Now wo beti yesofo bia fo bi ba. Wo beti yesofo bia fo bi yire. They were gathering their facts to stop us. But Nyamisofo Park cannot share a person's blood. Nyamisofo won't do that. Nyamisofo Pa was in Johnny Jamamo. Nyamisofo Pa won't coach you be back and then nada. So what you say? Nyamisofo won't go change go for moja. Nyamisofo won't do that. But guess what? Satan suffer no doors to see Nyamema no. Nyamema ni treat you one by one. Won't treat you and kitten or the four. You treat you lost. And in Tinema Ecosono, any facts na or gadano, mechanical said they will use that to stop us talking. In Tineme Pesame Catro. Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 1 going was sick I will buffer umanti brim da bonia hundi enima eba da bonia eniji enima eba da bonia yebe stop to mention Jesus Christ da bonia enam Kristo sumunti yebe yiwa die fire dwumam da bonia nam Kristo sumunti ukunu beja wo yiri beja wo da bonia Kristo sumunti dan ya wo dem yebe abetuo da bonia Kristo sumunti fia wo tim yebe yiwa firi mu sada bonini di yenima eba nti sabri ya wo de no kai wo bofo wo mranti brim na sada bonini dura wa ba betwitwa ajo na waso mu na wa nko sayim nima ekoso nyina bane nyonwa emamu bia nyonwa Satan eye na juma he's gathering everything together nti sabre ni di woni mu no obeka so obi ase na wo se bre ne bekọ wi ya emumu yo bedoso nti nipa bibiri do ano bejo nti obeka se na sofu ukọ sofu asori akoyede sofu fo ibi o ma no no mu di atem nti asori kora me kwa akoyede oso wonko sofu fo ye o so mu be kire head kwan wo mo no mu sori a nseme firi wo mo ne niema wo mo ye no kora wo gire ho nti ase nti me kwa asori akoyede sabre we be sori afa bag wo kwa asori wo kunu se ewraba wo kwan fa wo se me kwa asori wo se ka ho tena se wo mpese me sesa niema de wo mo obufiafo atena se ade ba de na sofo ne kire mo asofo ye jamammo na dore wo mo sa akoko no asofo yi nsam keka eni ateni hu na ye wo mo nti wo kwa asori wo kwa so mo they will stop you ni nyina ne say the fake ones they lead to destroy things. So what you see, the fake ones take a lead to destroy things. Ama nipa ne bibiri do anu adjo. Nipa nanka wo do Kristo. Nipa nanka Yesu Kristo hu hia no. Na wo pese wo besom Jesus no. Eni me binti. Na wo be wadwuma mu. Ama obi aka kira say adwuma na wuti mu no. Yesu Kristo no oyaza. Nti so bebo Yesu Kristo di nsia bi. So what you see, bedroom review wo be sa wo boss kwan sa wo pese wo ko asori program osie unya kope oba nzie dum ha bi because emumu yo ne ya doso media ko so nyam no ade be chu beti esesofo we say ade be chu beti esi we say enyam no the devil is gathering his fast just to stop us. Our journey is about to start. Because we say Yesu Kristo da no erema agisi wo waye no. Saadi we de wo waye beba. Nipa be waye free Kristo. So what you say? We are marching towards a waye ni mu anyway, but critical is coming. They will make it critical. It's coming very soon. It's going to stop us to do a lot of things. Me come chira. Enti me so se kai wo bofo. Umranti brim ansa na daboni edi enima eba no. Ebe stop you to not even mention Jesus Christ in adru. Kai wo bofo ansa na daboni obi be hia wa bonten achitio dey akuma to fom no adru. Now wo na mama abo ho. Anything can happen to you. Anything. Saturday will be a story of grocery store or Kodija or Kojum. A Yagana Becas or Kojum. Walmart was sorry no pa. Wo Kojuma Kodija. Unim se will be a for 2 day channel. Unim. What check it? You know, Dano. Mini way, why on the list? Mikoto way, Mikoabeto way, Mr. Monkai, Memento way, Macho, why on the list in our Kodija. Ubia dijane ye chiaka ubia bonten ten yakun obia to parking lot or the front car pow yakun enti sa wan kai wo bofo emran tibrenum empempenso ye du wan kai wo bofo no wan siesie wo a wonim ba bia obi be didi ame no be chichu no de be ku wonim di be sie wonim be bia gas bi be explode ne jabeto ho wonim be bia nsu bi be hyasie se to na pra na abubum na fe eja atoto ba bi na ehye ne dru fie. You don't know. You have no idea. A lot of things is going on around us. Na eya media na me yam hyehyeme. Isi urade o kan yampa. O si awoko ya infitias yimu ni we. Labor pain. Ti so oba awoko na nsu ahyase egu no na akola na ewie no imu tam ni wo sabre. Ati bia wo beti bia enkoye. News bia wo beti bia enye. News bia wo beti bia is horrifying. It's disgusting. Meeting news when I'm in America for how to explain what is going on to our children. I'm saying, Mo be explain it going on. Mo me Bible no nchira mo man wo. Mama wo mu se Bible ne say, "Ebre ne be kwa wiye mu yo be doso." Eno na America for mu fan teach mama. Now how to explain what is going on? What else can you explain when you skip this Bible? What else can you explain to them? Tell them Jesus Christ is coming soon. We are living in a dangerous time. We are living in the last days. Okay? People will kill. People will do a lot of things. We are living in a dangerous time. Let them know that Jesus Christ is on the way coming. We are living in a labor pain. Right now, the labor pain that we are living in right now. Let them know that. Americans refuse to tell their children that Jesus Christ is coming. We are living in the last days. All these things that you are seeing is because Jesus is coming. The time is close. The time is near. The devil and his angels, they were working around the clock. They want to take as many as they can before Jesus Christ comes. Tell them that, so that they can have the fear of God in them. Tell them they should remember their Creator when they were young, before the day of darkness happened to them. Tell them that. But we refuse, especially Americans. In God we trust. Everything, we pretend like we love God, but we don't. Our actions speaks that we care less about Christ. But when we open our mouth, we say we love Jesus Christ. But our actions doesn't show that we love the man. Because we refuse to teach our children what is about to come. The time that we are in, the moment that we are in, we refuse to tell our children that the clock is ticking. So they should gather themselves and be prepared before it's too late. So when they hear shooting, they will come, "Mom, what is going on? You know, honey, you know, some people, they just, maybe they don't even have a job and they were stressed and they're just stupid. Some people, they're just stupid. They smoke weed and cocaine. They do drugs and then they think they can shoot everybody. They're just stupid, honey. Don't pay attention on that. People are just stupid. That's it." They say this to their children. Tell your children that we are living in the dangerous time. Jesus Christ tell us, he warned us in the Bible. He said that the last days we will hear rumors of wars. All these evil things will happen. Tell your children that. Let them know. Draw their attention. Let them know who Jesus Christ is. Now that they were young, reveal Jesus Christ to them. Let them know that the clock is ticking. The man of this universe is about to enter this earth to judge each and everyone. Tell your children that. Timi wonsi ya gathered nipa near Roma Bettina TV so trying to convince parents to tell their children say the air kosono nkolani busa womwa say the na ekoso a omuma no mu hu say nkofo bi na omo de omadwenu mu eka omo na omo so omo shutu. They refuse to tell the children that abrabo we ya yewomu no asasi so e ba ye no ye wo papa bi wo soro onyankopon ne doba Jesus Christ wo ba ye wonim se sanema we besi won pese nipa be perehye nti wo soma ne doba ne so wo mewu no onfa ne kra nto wo maye na ni moja na wo be hye no we will benefit with his blood. Nti so wonam na oji Yesu Kristo di ni ya tru di won gwama ne nkwamum no bi chichu no ku a wonwu prenu then abofo de wo nsa betu komu de woko paradise. Okay, you guys, sometimes I wonder how you do things. All is because some of you are just mockers. You're trying to mock Jesus. Some of you can open a nightclub and call it paradise. You say that word. Where did that paradise came from? Some of you will open nightclubs and call it Genesis nightclub. What is in Genesis? You use the name, but you refuse to read what is there to apply it to your life. Where each rest a winning and so on so on. And Nema Ecosono, Tabri winner was see a cheer manatasi, Nemo the time that we are in. Nemo who see you will be was so over. Yet teacher for them why in Colay school them are not science for your better. Almost fishes become human and humans, no, fishes become monkeys and monkeys become human beings. No, maka all this rubbish actually ma. Tinkolani free school muba. the teacher catcher no sky ye hataho or none whom say a deity in the sky in a hataho, the be and su muto, and so none in Timbu Yasuda. Why the Kurum was so they did not have this wisdom to teach their children. And the teacher is sorry and sick open tea, or but school them and some of teaching and may and concom. Yes, so Kiba can be a tree and may so. Yes, so your Bible no. We refuse to look at it. Nkofubi moku Yesu Kristo in yeti womo until we refuse to know what is the truth. Ena branti bia to the boss ya betena se. No wako kan Yesu Kristo kakra just to get his facts right. No ama Satan kwan what take it over. No ama a platform so we make country nipa say Yesu Kristo bia madim. But awu kon ya mfiti ase musu ne we. Asima papa ne kan ye Ewo Matthew 24 nyina ahyase eye adwuma ye twem ho mpo ye twem ho so what you say eniti sabri nipa obi tena sesa so na mekora wiase ikora de pa na wa odi bitimi fa drugu ayi ade mu no onum osimi kume ho because me check e wiase mo ni nyina ne se so ko hu se Yesu Kristo wo ho no wobesan babi mu nka tama wo westidi akono madure wu no ko de babi ne Bible mu no wasere wrade se wrade minim pasa sundue frasasi so ye kunkum ye ho emaba watimo defo aba krante na monte so etu na monte so ye kunkum ye ho wrade boa me na mintumi nyina na to me babi a manya yiraba no e say ye was kai obofo mrante dum ye kai ye bofo ye mrante bremu dia pesika minkasa u pesika ye papa bi ko tu Bible verse bi na wonte ase unse ete se de e de say what to you chire dem na yawe we yire be chire o se di si tutu so what you say se tama oba be chire o se di si tutu ne tama wudimi move so what you say no wa chire o tama se di si pomatu Yomu bebre yenhwe ye Bible mu ntia ye Sunday church go with Sintino obi timi be Bible mu no waka asem no de honam a kire Bible mu ntuto na se wonnim Bible mu a ebe ya osese o ka asem no kore obi ko tu Bible wo so nyame se yemfa de se wo ma obi talent obi o ma obi du o ma obi no obi so de ne de ko chef fom no ye o kano in sika fem se bia wo ye buya obenye sika obeyese na ibinum o mo do mo talent no ache fom o mo kwa asore o mo tra no mo kwa asore nye san o pa chiro bra obi obeye Kristo ni bia obi bia onyankopon de dua ni mu obeye adwuma aboa the kingdom of Christianity ebeye adwuma de aboa Yesu Kristo atimi nya kra achiema Jesus Christ no ho sam no work enti wo de no wo bebari no na wantumi amfa nya adwuma ma papa no enchi akra bebere ama Jesus Christ eno wo sam no work ene wo bank sika guo sa sika wo pa wo ja no ho e was nipa din nsa ye adwuma yes was nsa nya adwuma ni kwase didi you have to work wo ti asase so no wan work kora nye ba mi busa wo wajene ne wakoma no enye 100% to the job nkisa ajene ne akoma no koye 100% to the job na wuja Yesu Kristo wa sika ne de obenya bi edan de obesi obenya bibia bi ban kwaje de bebo Bible yanso na akase se minya bi se japade nyina na me hire me kra mfaso be na we so adwuma ni nyina maye bi sika ni nyina mape bi mi wo sika gu bank mi wo bibia me de me hu mi wo me fie mi wo me kas Nessa Yesu Kristo eni umua nessa wunya sanema wenyina na wuwa na wanya Yesu Kristo mfaso be pa na wunya woso wa mayemfie bioso abro so kra ye dio wotwe ana meboa wo mayemfie bioso abro so kra ye dio nipa be di na he wasase so ye spend ye kam nyina amasika ye ja Yesu Kristo ho minka che so kotena sorry them from Monday through Friday no minka nesa me found say juma but find days for your God, for your maker. Dear na also we ma papa. What do you do for the man that you call his your savior? Yesu Kristo ba na juma ne say no wo ko die juma no di jaye o se yenya de. Wanu anso ne saka say yenya di be die ene de be kata ye ho nke ma no konsum bo mai na kasika ya de nyina eye de na ade se usikani no ko eno ya mu nkotu eye de na usikani no ko Yesu ho no so wo kyerkyerefo pa ede na menye no menya dankwa o kyerkyerefo pa ede na menye na menya dankwa o si di mra na ya hye ni nyina so o si o mi firi mi mofrase mra ni nyina madi so ede ebiem na aka o si ko ton wa ho di nyina. Listen to this. Sisika ye pay ene ya ane ho di ye pay ne ye nyima nyina o kan di asem na kire no o si ko ton wa ho di nyina ma hiafo ne bedi machi. So what you say? Onko ton na ho di nyina mfa ma hiafo na on so che wo se ahodi no be peni nyina bi no wagya Jesus Christ won tu be de wanya nkwa ne se bia so de woni mienu hweto ma ba ko bebo ana meboa last na me ne me mai kasa na me se munyini na mo be ya adwuma ya adwuma Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday san na fo ifa ya adwuma Friday, Saturday, Sunday fa ma urade Friday wo be ko evangelism wo ko ya adwuma ma urade se preaching baby na obigina ina ho ni preach yiro ho. Okay, Saturday baby a wo no usi uniema na wo ye ufie adwuma wie niema bi a wo so wo ye na wo wia no wasa ma Bible so hye wo moto na anam area wo na wo ye evangelism se mo bi na wo betumi akwa akogina ho a na wo ye evangelism everywhere you can do it se social media so baby na wo betumi agina aye evangelism do it through Sunday so wo kwa sorry until wo for 4 days wo the 3 days am awurade and 4 days in so wa fa na nyesa wo beda na wo sori a wo mompaye wo be bompaye asua kyerosem wo be sori na jodasium abompaye asua kyerosem atontom awurade abompaye na wo wia wo dia fesi edam enti wo ye adwuma pesika no na at the same time so no wo ye di osoma wo no so adwuma nti medika de sazi we ahye me mani mu na wo mu benyine o ma mesika ni wonanim na so wo ko adwuma bi mu a ka kire wo say you can now work on the weekends. Weekends make an idea. So I'm for a human woman for a giant baby for. What line now this idea the chassis a back one mark of him that used to be back. That's the one fine chassis so weekend and no bamboo sika. Weekend and no see it $15 in hour Monday. Weekend the Rebecca Chosi about $25 in hour. And it's almost when you will stop doing all these things and work on the weekends. So what you say? But send it to me. Send it to me. Especially here 24. Work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. They are the general home here Sunday. Saturday no class or bedina home your if you are ye near your party. Party number pound how much or bedrufia wada. Into what ten and no sorry crack or sorry, a binum crack or sorry, a binum sorry no, or what they share we are. So can you say yes, sir? And you man into ya man you man dear radium kind. Sakaya take your picky desibi, and ya jumano, and your picky desibi, and your summa radia, and Kia sorin Kenya, Kibayanopa. Kiaba Konanopa. By them, sir, ye time be, and why the baby in human time, no, we don't insist to say. And Radina Yasum, no, he have to be first in everything, no. So what you say? A yes and nipa that's a new one said, Fire Juma, a yepa, when Yanko Poka was walking before, contact Yan Chanko, she had a new on in that coin. Cause I'm walking ticket poor to me was in shoe better, or Gade Dianing now or some. Now, when Tanning is soon to when you're near dish. Or no cry, I have one tatia. You work, yes, it's so good. It's good for your health. Also, when you move, it's good for also your health. But if you let that take a lead and leave Jesus Christ, a human obey, Sikan obey nebi, ubisi a dying, ubeto cast, but unkoje party ebebo because this same person you have to fast. Also, we are conscious. Okay, also dear brother, this man are the dear brother. Your mind cannot be on Christ. Because of comedy, you will be a yam faquem. Nti ubeda di mwada di akwa kotina adwumam. Wabra wo boss wo tete wo. How can you do that? Intina was a woman wo adwuma na wo ye ni days. No woman days so wo so di so mawurade. Sorry adesium kikam bompaye a motofo krenti. How can you do this where you have all these times going to work? Uko adwuma so na koton kwa ebe yiwadi. So what you say? And to the me fun say me kwa adwuma Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Me wo 4 days me de kwa adwuma. So what you say? Nti metumi nya sa 3 days yake. Metumi nya anadwo mu 3 days asori anadwo abompa yake kam. Asai yo wone fo na ye wo manim. Di odi be sai me, di odi be kume, di odi be gu manim ase. Nchichire nya pam ne niema titim yetima muvu, yetima pema fam. Ti me use this say na me dia ye sadie no. Ne metumi so sua me kyerosem. Ne metumi so akabia kyere obi. Nti so obi ka kyerem say ye Christopher na me hwe so ode ne tam nyina ma awurade asesa wo bo obra. Onye Kristo ni. Christopher devote wo tam nyina emma wo madwuma. They put it in Chimumba. Hey, my man, to understand who can you name Bruce, but they tell you this. Who bet you cut your coat according to your size. That's why he said, Sakina, Ibidi, and you did the cut I want. Some mission, let me see Mediano, and you $2, I mean, Kuku mansion. What you say? Or expectations on the baby, General, and then I'm only time and maybe. When you come on my this one, Nipadiano by a mre, whom by a mre, I can't to me, Nebi, and buy your own to me, Moby. Yamiasam shown to me, enemy. Want to mention Yamiasam will be used to buy with your dada. I want to me, and you are more day to me, Nebi. What just I want to me, and never be one who you just want to me. You cannot do it. And the flesh and blood, you know, baby can't be so. And no, what goes. Into the baby a cool way, a bit to make cheer also. Easy. Nti Kristo ni pano. How can you do all these things? How? Ubenda wa na mayeshi. Nti chichadi mani biso na bills ni mrafo. Na kakere bia ubeye no etumi aso. The worldly people are chasing this world. Why should we chase this world also? 1 John chapter 2 verse 15. Your Bible the call. 1 John chapter 2 verse number 15. See, also don't love the world and what it offers. Those who love the world don't have the Father's love in them. Not everything that the world offers physically. Let me catch you. 1 John chapter 2 verse 15. 1 John chapter 2 verse number 15. Want to be especially this time here, you me. Want to be found to know. 1 John chapter 2 verse 15. What's it? What's it? We are sit down ni unyanko pondo. Itrasam. We are sit down any unyanko pondo. Itrasam. What's a moon no we are sit. Ana enyoma ewo we are sit. Se obi do we are sit. A jano do eninimu. Na de ewo we are sit nyina. Honam akono ni eniwa akono ni asetenemu ahohoahoa. Emfiri ejano na emum efiri ewiase. Na ewiase ni nakono nyina retwam de na de oye de onyankopon pe no tena ho da ewiase ni nakono no ni nyina etwam na de oye de onyankopon pe no ono ni nipa obetena ho da. So what you say? Ye di wiase pe no eno bi ne ye wiase si me yese efie wiase di eno bi na me no mi enu ye di nsema wiase ka eno bi na me no ye ka di wiase ye eno na yeso ye follow na ye be da sumawura no mienu. How can we serve two masters? If wiase se wo sa wo kwa abuchira at least wotumi see mansions be mienu. If wiase se e wo sa wo kwa abuchira at least wo sa wo bia stores ni nyuma. Wo so we Kristo ni so ko you want to man ko bi bebre na wo paycheck aye $50 an hour. When you doctor, what kasa to wo prapra enti je sa wo ji adwuma no ba bia nsabo so ansa na sika na konanim na sa nipa we no wo be ye dey asum awurade yie na campus wa kye akra ma Jesus wo sa we Kristo ni na umie wa no kye akra ma Yesu wo ni se no so ye bone wo ni wo ni se no so ye bone cause he attended we have to do the job that he does too. I was saying boa because he have a benefit when the moja what be hwi gua mai e na ye yesi wo be hwi moja na gu no na ye na dwuma na ko wo ya ju but who you selfish. You don't want to let anybody knows about Christ. No so ye nyini bi na wo nko a wanya oje na waka wa no atum na ade che wono e no so enye so what you say e no so nkoye nti amaniema mu aye din ama Christopher because we are changing this world. Mamu no wiase no ya nte ase wasi wiase na kono etwem na di oye di onyankopon pe no betina hoda ene wiase mu niema nti ye boapo ye niema Kristo ni no utwantro agi bibi Kristo ni di obedi nti di ebefiri ne numu aba enye Kristo ni obekọ abemu krata bia wo pe e de nya na yinti okọ abemu o yi Kristo ni o wo se hade ya nya ne sa Bible isu si atro nyina ja eni bonsam Satan wonna wo ye trufo firi fitiase so what you say eni yesi ahade ye nintra enye ye ahade you have to lie to them ahade one nintra enye you krum hade ye keka no kura rough abrofui so when ni wo ntra enye ye ne nam ye free ye ho Christopher ne nso ye di ntro ntiama ye ni ahoden ye betumi di agina awurade agina ye ni tumi a ye betumi di agina awurade agina ye ni ahoden ye betumi di agina man campus ye bia ya no aka onyankopon asem akire ye nuanoma omuni mu awurade ti ye mu bibi ye tempenten kwa ye bre eni ma nkoyie nti obi wo ha na de na mabesom nyame na nyame no wosum ni ya ka wo hu no kan ye bi wo ko beto wo se mo ma ye adwuma abre listen to this na mo so mo ne so abre mo mra me nchen na mama mo home wo ti ase wo so wa ba Kristo mu ba wo da so wade so a wo gina ko tia na wo tie mu fra no no wade so wono so se bra chebe me come closer na me so. So what you say? We are living in the last days. Your master listen me no we say anania me wu. This will be doku kudi we say e jane do ni ni. Na di wo we say nyina ye ni wakono asetene mo ho o se mfreja no ifro bonsam di we say na kono etwam na di oye di ade a onyankopon pe no di oye di onyankopon pe no obetena hoda. Jesus Christ did not promise us anything on this earth. One country say so obasa siso na wa woni efie wonsi dan wonye mansion. Look at the way people are dying. Ye maame no mu bi ye brothers no mu bi obesi sifie obekọ Ghana o se maritai obedru Ghana tim obeti no owu obi kura hawo ni fie no wonsi mi obi kura waboso wo gine ho se nesia obemekọ ko host big party ni aye kama chese so wasi dan wabobra ye ko bie dan na no enso me no kasa nesia na wa shama no ho a wo boa no ento no onim. So what you say? But what they know you bizarre, my jewelry, and to obey you know, Becono. Satan said for Bunkum was said, and I'm in for Bunkum, never cost or was it. Now they say the other two who cost on it. And I didn't know your papa. And Ti Papa will be any Bukuma or more than the other or more yet the open or walk out. Two team my yes to say, why, wonder why? Was a mini a queer safwa, was a queer safwa. I'm sorry, Pa. A queer for being here, say, Brother. No, tell you what I say. Madame, 2 months, bra. Young butter. What did you hear? Any man, sir, any man would know you. Already, pa. Ye off your 2 of any tights near for me. She come me cook to your yasam kit was his own. Any meaning. Nini understand? You left him, you do your own things. You must say them rather draggy. You must say, Granny, a jummy more. Ah, you must say ready. Bible account Proverbs 20 verse 1. Was in say if you before in Sunday way and talk a penny, you don't tiny answer. And you my woman's what on some. On tons. Grocery store baby a weird one, 1 tons or wait to make you son watch checking out until my papa. Who's out tons? Who you know? I have no children who are doing your mass wrong. Yet do not cry and we have to pick and choose. Near you be an OCA. And you know who won't do cigarette. They don't sell pack, right? One won't sell cigarette, your friend the pan was said one man or moon who won't check in for out. Who yet more gas station, maybe what? Lot of papers in your mind was so a Christian. Maybe what wouldn't wait my was away. Who take that your brother was Canada, who's a weird mouth? Who's a quiet mouth because you see Canada, who's who from Christian? What turn you? Who know the quiet name? Who's a weird mouth and they say, Biaba. Meaning, it will give you money. Grocery store now, weird money, maybe so a horse bar. Yen check in and out. And Sunday by you must use you all. And yet, maybe I will see you. What only say feel before in Sunday, you 210 minutes and also water. Hey, Mamma, try this and now, okay. Me will be stolen on me, yeah, Jumo. Oh, now you're winning one. As I'm the boo, almost you or two walk and who ye. I was like, I would do when I will pay you, and I will check your motor son. Oh, yeah, forward, Monsieur, excuse me, me, sorry. Let me name some motor on Sansua. Oh, it's just a wine, was Debbie. You're no son. Hospital now, so we are nest, Mebwa. Hospital now, we had months or more abortion. You hear so a demo one of cooking, who's in the bow now clean you. When I was setting up a Nema, na Doctor Baba abortion, Mebwa. Who's we a nest, who wouldn't you be? But when I was setting him for Wakotua, when it's cheer, say Planned Parenthood, a honor yajuma, a honor ya abortion, a holy Sicano Dawson, who the Cushing mansions, and so do Sunday or Castle. Ninanisa opportunity, who are you fooling? Who are you fooling? What's the no man can your son carry a free mujum? No doctor, near abortion, no hospital, or one I juma. When I will see you, I took 2 money in Ania Baba abortion, into we my papa. And when I did sit down, I was in a mere down, and you never found so good in this room. What boka? Yes, found so good in this room, Papa Becca's winning. I do not be brave and brutal Christopher, ya, it did quasi Christo be. And no more I am Meresan, and no who tell you now why what you tell us, Sunny, whom to mean calling, and no nama why you said from Sumie, soft as I know. So what you say, because you didn't know who did you. I resisted the devil to run away from you. There is certain jobs we don't do. Last time, make a children was saying, I'm here, more salon. Makeups, you better not see makeups in your right. Which is more and offend to us, or do you need you for Cucunium for Becca and you for side and one arm, say, to Tim or Retty, ye near me, yes, sir. May challenge the authority of God. I left that job. Hey, my name is 20 years old, for pa, and which I debut. I left that particular job. And the job also gives me money. Mister from Monday through Friday, tip on kwa me wa abrofu so they tip from their heart. Bruni tepo or tepo from the heart. And you $1 for any bill. Debbie, who go on my way at the to be at the end of your man no can be a cost of $25. Who be you just $50 at all. They tip genuinely until they give like nobody's business. And every Monday, I could do Friday. Na cash and crash mataso. Makatia nyama. Makatia cry nyama. So what you say? Nti tama we didn't sakamino. Me come to me meduma na yen tatia cry bishima me you are watching. Because na me hear more 5-star saloon. Yes saloon ketwa. Saloon akese, saloon papa. And they say your festival bi wa hanoma. And they say Lady Gaga no Beyonce no nyina omoba ye salons no omoba ne ye makeups no omo so I'm funny makeup artists we are the one do all these things e ba ye wodan ye diniku wram ye ma obi ama na nti de wo sa wo ye no wo wura ho ye mfa camera so nko you do it. So what you say? 5-star. My boss, your friend is Susan Heisey. Who type of me come channel? Or per month, so now I was good at what I do. A cruma almost forward with experience. Oh, experience. Now me say you good, and now me say our accent. They love it. To obetna se na me bi ma no kasa o ntija. So what you say? Maybe you know na sika gu mi bottom no. Me be who say no. Say adi we no, I'm challenging the authority of God. I cannot say I love Jesus and still do the things that he hates. Na me kra wo ma me ho fa me yankasa. Me di 2 weeks ko 2 say me frɛ adwuma mo. 2 weeks kaminya kra kani ko say me di 2 weeks too. Ni nyina ne say me protect say someone for 2 weeks and 2 na me jawo mo ho saa awade say wa woni say yes na me e be say me record me kwa ko pa adwuma foforo me beka say me jaya adwuma ne saa until let me put 2 weeks me kire awade de onye. And I went there and I say, you know, I want to take a break from this job and I give you guys 2 weeks to leave. Na me boss ni no say what? You're just joking, just go. We will talk later. Maybe something wrong. Ni mpen krofo no money make us say bia me ni kunu na ni ma bi nkoyi nti na me say stress bi ha me nti na me pese me free adwuma. They keep sending people to me. Oh yeah, you have to do reflex allergy massage. They have to do your reflex allergy pedicure, and then the massages, it will release you a little bit. You need a vacation, Joe. You know you work so hard. You need a vacation to release the stress a little bit. Maybe that's why you were saying this. You know how you love your job, and you know how people love you so much. How can you leave this job? Please, you know, take some vacation. We will give you time. Just take time for yourself. Maybe because of the case, you know, the stress, you know, all this. They don't know what I'm coming from. Or can they say you know, famous you and me how to explain what I'm going through and the feelings that I'm getting to this woman. Our team and make us say. I don't know how to just explain it to her. Dear air me will be nipadium, and dear me who many so. And rather checking me out, Miss me catamani, no beer. Nemaya Tosumino. Na fit to bend to boom. Nesuyaja wa. Na oba. And yasam kitty me solid next day. No, na me home say na me would ye. One day, cried Jigami, me dread more Friday. Why I at the Friday you meeting Kakan yesterday, Juma. Me, I am my mamma, so yeah, you have something to say. I'm Jesus Christ is coming. I feel no beer. I feel me manager when you cry of us or mamma bed 10 minutes the castle. Me come to ye late. Now, your clients about what to tell you no more train. Make us a message, you woman is so no, and you gave me there your bassa. When you know so flesh and blood, when I walk a truth, natural necessity in me flew. I feel me boss about oh, yeah, friend me, or yeah, connecting for oh, yeah, she have experience. Yeah, you don't know her, her husband, that's Lovely's wife. Oh, Lovely's, yeah. Really? Lovely's wife? Oh, yes. Oh, I will go there and ask her how they meet. Now, when the meet comes spouse and do my wife until they connect me with people no more. How do you meet the guy? Oh, yeah, I did his pedicure. That's why they met. Oh, really? Oh, wow. That's amazing. I mean, how can you? I'm like, oh, yeah. No, maybe TT and Zembi say, until Nipa Neba na sumu the first of all. I face me ni majuma until also oba. Ubit Mrs. Sata di free or such me. Yeah, no, Ghana Africans, you buy one bonfia. You don't know what is in you. Ubit me, see, can you part Mrs. Sanata di free or such a media mention? Una so ebinu katra esi etiti ya so Ghana. Ini ata de je mewa. Africa they need baby. So they bring their clothes for you to teach them how to wear it. And they won't function. I left the job. I make more money. Me come chiro. Me make sika pa. Me make sika. Yes, me particular money ni crampo. And I me the to adie me tips. Me tips na me the to adie me do store na me tom paboa me tom paboa $750. I'm there show me nase because I see money. I see cash. I see me. People love me. Me get me book appointment 2 years in row. My feeling my emma. cancellation will be cancelled near the wash hall. Me question na me yetuntum adwuma ho. Me come chiro. I left that job because I'm fata Christo. What said you on the new for him? Makotas na me penti nkofo ani. Makotas makotas na me kala nkofo ti blue green yellow. Makotas na me shirt nkofo enyi nto aso. Makotas na me ye more. Makotas na me chichi nkofo ani. Makotas na me all kinds of. If I sit you down, send me more reflex allergy. Massager. Ubebo ansa mama. Send me peda wo nan de to me naso. Send me yo massager. Me to me describe when ye nim dua nyina e wo ye nan mu, ye peda wo nan mu say. Me bia me de me satso ha me to maka say we ye wani. Ampa me press on my you will feel something. Ti me wie sa e ho no, ye nan mu say. At yet me draw a tone, baby, when ye be a nim say, and when you're nigh a DC from say, the womb. Timetanasia, it take 1 hour and 40 minutes to do that massage. Miria, Uber dark on your moving crumb. Intinipan sorry no come over the West Aya, or Opo Hokrampa, no meaning so yummy, and I know pursue you so healing and I want over to make us a number hat me cook today, no me hire me up. Since I was I did not feel it in. What to make you have magical hands? It's like a magic. When you touch me, I feel different. People testify. Name boss, because yes, I did write about you, about you near the Ababato. I left this job. I left it. I make so much money. I left this job. I left this job. Me feel but I own the business. Who should me come and go pack your home? Me jumana, me apprentice, and they say I employee. Nyakomo. So what you say? Me yeboni yenkane kese. Ewa jumamu. But I left it. Because I cannot sit here and preach and still be there, challenge the authority of God. I cannot do that. But most of us was so sacred. But a Jumana wa yenim fete Christo, but what does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Hey, me continue you mama me fasting, so me will be a me fasting. I just say you have to eat. Me wa lawyers to be over no moba me check. Or no be over no ato. Me lawyer back over no ato and they say salad, no, or the drinks in your market, no, they bring me. Or say, I know you're not going to eat, so I brought you food. No, because me not see some year Juma. It will be quite breaking me, from me breaking in shame. I cannot go. No, me show me year Juma. Me year Juma satisfied be our mother. Timinya be drew fear, me nyam and Nicola me have me nyam say, get out. Me nyaku rather na makanda not to say bam. Me show sa nti weekend do na me kuna mpa baby amfa me amfa asembesi because onyema bebreba matoto egu dem won hifa na me de chako me ye adwuma sa nti weekend e wo se me kunu ni baby kwa o pe baby no de me ko. All these things I left it. Me tuoro me do adwuma pa and I love to work. Me kwa ma dress go hia me beka se me ko ayi wo hwe ma appearance kora wa na beba ma appearance me beba fa me client every baby what here no wo be do me keke so me bia no I'm from Africa me life prove wo say ye near te papa. I left the job. Nyamini me dancing. I left the job. I quite remember Lady Biniminya Kasakasa Wadum. Na me na me manager busa said dear na Jeffrey lady no. Was I want her to leave this job. Me who yen libre too much. Or person me was it or giant man be or they was say I. Send unyami you soon a PPM so na me nim. Me to me read me could do one man my head and me say we don't have time to babysit you today. So get your ad together. Pick up your ass so we can work faster. You hear me? We cannot babysit nobody. We have time. Don't be late because we have clients together. Ma bona bambata henya say. Nsu hu mi abeka sanyam nam kan. Din ni ma ba betena se. Me de mani kura be di watem. E wo ho. Me ne oto na because amanfo bom me ya ade. Nti obi bo ankankan se wa ya ade ma obi na anya yie. Ne ye de bra me to correct your mistake. Wo kura kaye. So what you say? Unu bro ni nyina me de mo beto from flat. Nti won't mean kasan chira me rough. But I left this job. They were shocked. They are me boss Susie. Oh my make on the office downtown. No, see they say you're leaving. You're leaving for what? What is going on? And will be your one Hannah. I'm saying no. Why is something going between you and Loveless? I mean, it's something that we can help to do. We have some events coming up in Vegas. You want to go with us? We can take you with us. I say no. So what you say? I love one kabeka sa ucha tikiti babu chile. One masa obehepo. One masa obehebrofo. One masa obehen kania. There is no way. Mikuta me lances. Busa me lances in a way. Me jana juma ho. Lances na me no kasa obi to school them. Chie sika $15,000. Edi akwa ye lances no. Me jana me lances no wa juma ho. Me jana ho. Me ko fine. Me ji kola. Me ji chi. Me the car create your mama me money to me your mom, that's your job, my person. Because academic womb. I did man I me can say ye jumo, but found say ye juma papa. Papa, a juma papa. Into Miss Anne, see come me bow. I see it. Timino restaurant near Cotadia. Oh, one here. Me number limit me niches to say some me called yes shopping. My birthday drew crown in the cancan. Na me tisi downtown Chicago say me call ye shopping. Nyasa mketwa. I left it. I left this kind of job, this particular job. Me kunu busa wase mami. Me de me busa wase mo nye bone. Ade me de me busa wase. Na say de woni. Baby a wo no kuta lances how de ye adwuma kesi say. Na say what say adwuma no nyen mami me busa wo. E de adwuma pa na wo beye with no lances, with no nothing. Ah wo be kwa ponchi in for 8 hours. Ah you be ubeji say sika na na oje. Me de me busa asem keke. Na me so do nya me be kire. Nyame bechere ba me kasi urade ni munyam de unyame ye wo me life no kakra bi na me nya no de urade de aye me no sa first no kwa na me nya sika bebrebe no na I don't think straight because na nyame dwere na bi nkuta me sa bre wo ye nyame dwere kuta me no kakra bi na me nya no make a difference. What kind of job do you do? When you know a glorify already and now see your opportunity, you have to do anything just to make money. And you know what you more so persistent 7 previous away upon chair, ma or pumpum and more. So what you say? Who fit you could me into pumpine or pumpum? Me cawsome. So persistent, will you Christo Lima? Let your lifestyle speak volumes, including the job that you do. And this to me, this soon Christo call heaven, you won't get it. Unya. Me chake me da yesu mu na me hwe nyema ekososo me tumu so urade one me adi niye. Wa mama nyembo. First aduane kwa na me ntimi ni bi, ma me chengelenge chen me a. Won ya fefa ho, oba ma wu miensa. Ushia me abeka sa pala hala. Enne hemafono. Enyi nyefe. My keseka krebi kra and I gain weight because on tadia mission I was saying ya chengelenge atia donko. Send them konko. And then the Christo ayeme. She would have wa hemafono. Nti nyefe. Ubi beka sena kesie, ya wo kesie ni ya wo kesie. Ya wo kesie ni ya wo kesie. Oba I was so sheshe now come on. And your mom no didia no more do mon sa wo mum ni mo kofe. No. So first who me imitate abrofi my yes one ya fefa ho me dia kade a meshe kire wa kete so what you say enne hwe de awrade aye me dress na me kwa ni munyam wu me nya half naked so na wo so ye Kristo ni hwe won ta de shem wo se wa be ye Kristo ni waji Yesu Kristo di. Look at the way you dress. And she Christo ni munyam nan kampese. And she Christo ni munyam. Your lifestyle now we are leading now we call ourselves. Nima eba yesono. Si ye nyina ye pa. Odofo. Awode ye nya bio. Ni yetimi ni obone fo ne na de die sie. No. Ye nya. Let's do something. Ebe ma unyame ho den abawura yen. You have to lose something to get something. You lose something to get. Se me lusu me dwuma ni me nya nkwaje me lusu onko. Na me nya nkwaje ma me kra. Onko. Na me nya nkwaje ma me kra. Me kase ni misuso fa ye. Nse na me nya me lances am de ye adwuma. Nya komo. But I left it. Me Jim. And mema. Omukra na wo tipu ye wo na massage ne wo be tipu ye tumi so wada wo a wo so no mabo se nani anje na wo se bo sa bo adwaman fam because obi hu na ne kondo wa wo ne wada dada me boa nti se medwuma mu hokura na me sa yi dwamanfo na me sa bo adwaman fam because mema ne ba ne ya direct wo mo obi ho nti wo doni ne trase na wo hwese le misitie na wo tie me accent free me mu ba no wa ye homodwe obi ti me I will let my husband come to you just no wo kura so send me sa boy Jamaica atade ehye me nufu nyina gu won ade a me ye nyina nso se ya nti wote wo nyina no ne focus ejina me nufu ntem so what you say and wo kan brofo na wo accent it is say the 77 previous obi free sirima ba na wo kan chi on accent no aha de ye wo de papa ti ya hu me ha ti me wo accent ti me bie ma no na me kan brofo na e sound no wo masum ti say the obi o free sirima ba o kan chi on ti chi ni papa na wo kan the way as chi ne sound no say kasa na otumi kan ni ye kura na on say accent no wo wote nti ti say lady bi wo mo friend say ebono you see the way she speak the ebono kasa no on say accent now they speaking ebono kasa na de keke that's how it sound wo masum ti wonyanya nkonwa no no na wakonwa no say wo mu a what any massage akonwa no massage wadidi adem wawie wo be wie no wo po odru animu ha tipo de be ma untumi nso we are not say book me with the same lady. What is the name again? Okay. She's so good. No what show I told the boss ya kufia kwatena computer so. No what show aba wadwuma mu page the wire man. But I left this. I left all these things. Say dwuma ne nya dwuma monko entro so saka ho. Because woman sum yo mo de to be kasa wo be wi na entro half. Entro half. Nti se na nya dwuma monko na me ne wonyame me nyumfo ham. Me correct onyame wanya o mawre ni na so yesi woni echi na so de to say unni no na so ye say o so ye nsa wa do eyelashes o say ye ne individual na ye come to bo woni prepare to say yes u cheekbone no say na o say ye no onyame anye ni ye na me nyi ni nyina se na me ne menwemfo ham se na nche urade ni munyam so what you say se ne nkoye you have to leave it alone who can ye atidi ne ni abrio and we be ja di bia office so ne bo atidi ne ni abre fofo mu ha abrochire ne mrem mi kamechiro mi kai mi je eduma no foforo chese na mi kunu no nte ho ase no se me ma ho akiro no hu se dia ho chiri sem se wo sika no ba wo 17 na wo di rough unim se wo baso I will do everything and the memo testing here no wo se liti amuma bem da because the me won the mete wo maso no me focus me say if I drop down today if I die today where am I going me sister me niema me man me dance for niema me sister me jeans jeans bi wo to me ton $500 jeans keke aye de hye sisa ni me ya chichire no boa ne sisi o. Mom, what are you doing? So I'm going to throw all these things away. It's against the will of God. All this clothing is not good. Mrs. Sabuke, me drive from my neighborhood. Because why I'm here. Na me wig and kwano and no bags na nye ketwa. Sadi edi bola gum etumo sumu no ye wakese o hanuma edi bola gum. Akese na machichire no boa me wig nyina lutu dem ho nyina. Se sani nya kotugui. So there was you Christoni. You still hold on to some things. You have to get rid of it. Get rid of it. There's certain jobs. You have to leave that kind of job. When was the last time I watched you? When was the last time I watched you? When was the last time I watched you? Me fasa kwenye iso akasemu me da wono mo nyame ka kire me o si pray for Jewish mo paye ma Jewfo mo New York me nim de ntia tu ko nkoto de nim na bon paye ma Jewfo a mo New York o si pray for Jewish in New York mo paye ma Jewfo a mo New York me de atoto baby so mo so mo paye tu mo so mo me nim de ntia o si mo paye ma Jewfo a mo New York me nim eni ti odo fo ma soma we sa me ba awrade mu no won kasa me ho na me ntene ne na me nim de ekwa kamajai me kame chiro kama free Christo sum. So what you say, there are certain things we have to let it go. Yes, I ready ntene nda James 4:4 o si aware say for munim si wiase adam fofa eye etane wunyankopon ne se obi fa wiase adam fo wo gina ho so wunyankopon tamfo. Ya failure see them for. Into certain things we cannot let it go. Ya failure see them for. And you may be when you musua, what do you mean? You won't see a sign of him, won't it? At least you have to hear the word of God. I also take no kasa. I was so kasa to be to assume. But baby, I because we won't give you up 100%. You love the money so much, and you don't want to give it up. But me catch up. So I say, "Kai wo before man tibrim ansa na daboni yehu naba." Ecclesiastes chapter 2, chapter 12. O say kai wo before man tibrim ansa na daboni yehu ni mo ni je naba. Ansa na daboni yehu bedru ho, obeka se frimi so kominim aba. Sabri ya wo den no, sabri na hyase ye di urade pe. Bo brady ye mfo ho de wo ye be man mfo ho de mama ene mema ne bebre they enjoy pornography. Brother, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Now especially our phone, so you couldn't be porno is on your phone for what? For what, bra? When is that the corner who shall let you say you want to you? Yes. And they are doing the about him. And wow. And the boy see me will be in your naked picture and then I'm from him. But one share and they say, preaching that. Umran to blame now, did you must say? Umran to blame now, did this say to me? Ntiama Jamamo everywhere. And Jamamo to see. Everywhere, who you be crown one for America for best is sexy, one for being from one. People care less. And Jamamo, everything we do, it's like I will see a debate. And Jamamo, never one mrantie, na you share pornography, Nyakomo, into the only year no Chichenebema. You want to mention Pena, no Chichenebema, Nibinum Susu dem Planchain at the age of 18 because your man lances, no Chimpana. 18 because your man and la, yeah, I'm grown up. I'm 18, of course. I know my right. Akola why ye chamuno. You would not sanado sa. Not because who shall say when you. Some may be free and no ban. Any near my why ye chum. Now they compare the age now with Jinabona who say, ah, sir. Then the age better know did this every man. Nyakom. So what you say? You show your man, your mamma, your mam ranting, you go on Facebook. Go home, come on, would you? Check out and see what they're doing. So what you say? Nina say everything is sexy. That's how they call it. Papa no beti an ba no pono ye ne phone ne so ma. Papa no beti an ba no pono aye ne phone ne so ma. Maame no be ka che ne ba ne so wo fa yi wu ade ni adwene mutie hye ntade ese no. Na tade ne ka ba yi ne nufu nyina guo. Na ye cha na wa mu akuduru ne to. Ne jinsi ya hye no wo kuntu ne mu se ya ne ntoma nyina gu apontene. Enti won na bo wo ha. All these things is going on. Miss swimming yanum. Sabri we ya ni mo won to hono. Sabri ya wunya en mo akokora. E ma posesen kan wo. Na wani wu na de ni no ese buru ese green no. Sabri we na fani di ma di ososoma wo. Di obo wo. Sabri. Ye jewrade wo. E ye di ye pe. Nti wu bebri ye tempente kwa. Hwe se ni pe wu too young. Too young. Look at the way people are dying. 20, 25, 18, 17, 16, 13. Okay? We must say 100 years for no crown 40. 40 not just 100 years. We're hitting 100. Look at the way these young men are dying. Look. Because young kaya bofu yamran tibrim. You omumu bebre ni je and semuhunu and yema fa ube shiano wa bota mesi asemimi naka. Nso na pono egu ni fon so no wo shema manfo. Wadam for no ship no bre wunya hu sa na dwene nya adwuma nti ku ne be ja adamfo wunya hu so wade wo kogem sa wonye ni wonye oto woni nyansa wunya huni wadam for na woni ne sha idea sa woni wo yire kro nya asama je sa wo frɛ no na ne na ka adwena nka no yire be fa woni ne fa a wo ship no bre wunya hu be bi ogina wadam for na wo so wo bo PhD a wo bo tai boni minimu a wo pia tum se kratch na bai a wo she pornography wonya hu se ni tiri nya adwuma ni tiri ni fie wonya hu ni obi anka nchaw se nyansa pa wo ni bi wo yire wo wade yire ma yire da na chi nso obi nya kokudro asende obi naked pictures e be akwa wonten. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? No wo wie na yire mu no se ai mi yire mu ade wo hu de wo ye na nkoni de wo ye no de ageji wu no opam wa kotu no de ahyew nti so bebo ne mu asiama pa wonye because Yesu Kristo na wo hye na se no wa mbo mu asiama no nti oba no wo se wadwene wo fom sa bra e be de so bebu o so what you say ade no what sika ko ware bi e da bi ho na wo de ko hu obi de wo hye sa amansan re wa bra ni nyina eye bako ebi nkuntru ni tirase shape ni nyina ye the same thing ana meboa nti wo hye obi dia etese de wo hye wo awo de nti ade na ekoso san ade na ekoso san ti busa wo se ye Yesu anko be papa no oba ye no nya branch etese wo na ma ni ho e ma wo fefo no mu ni ho nti wa oba tutu ni oh yes ababa wo dwamanfo yi ka Yesu hia no se na wona no se sai no ono akobo adwaman wo menya o naked picture me baka ko kire nkofo na nka ode nam na nka ode kire nkofo because ne person na tutu for but he didn't do it. Ne person na Mary Magdalene so but he did not do it. Ade na wo de wo person yinim se tutu for ho ampa e tutu for nka onyame use as a vessel to use your mouth and speak to them so that they can change, but instead of doing that you are sharing your nakedness to people to watch. No wenya dey na di ba no wenya no waka se ke kan mu bi nyansa yimu se wrade ti mu se ka dwena no wo fam nyansa no e bi afi na ko bu se wrade so na se wagenya me honti. Look at the way you were doing your things. I'm fine shira so mre wo e de no mi ne bre nipa. So what you say what e de no mi ne bre nipa say yes e be da de ja san ko nyame ma yi nyina ye de da de ja It will be Adam and Eve who said there be a jaja and Koyima. They end up woman say no so many at no dia dia kakao. Ntika wo de won yet na fe dia de na de nkofo de janenam. Osoro hinyi na bayo. Kai obofo mrante brim. Ebra wotimi share pornography. Ebra wotimi tena se di adwama ho komo be 2 hours. Sa abre no na kai obofo. Abra baba wa wasi so wotumi so camera si so e ka adwama mo ho sam to edi sem predia amanfo be man ne toy e be si wo kire nkofo what to do sa abre wi a wo nkwa wo so wo hode no sa abre wi na ma wo yem show ne fa wo lifetime ni nyina ma wurade na anye sa na isum kabi no to na dabone no to a ntumi nyiwa no wo yi wa no ba bia enyi yi sa wo che ma dabone ne ba wo be ye mobo na wotie mu so obi aponte one na nkampese na da no obi ni wo beka bia ma wo. People are dying. She said ni pinwo and na mpese mu biti ase and na wo pia nye guarantee wo tike mu na no why insurance ready wo tike mu na why on samanse wo nye tu free wo nim se wo beba biem se wo ma biem me go grocery store you have no idea se wo be samba fie se wo ma fie ti ba bia wo nam bia onia ba ma no why alert. Yesu Kristo na wudi na chi sa akwa amanfo obi e kan bi na wo kan bi ana ana wudi na chi hunhum ni nokorem na ni ande na ofro hu Kristo ni na atom petition ande na ofro hu Kristo ni na ye adwuma wa abortion clinic Planned Parenthood o how pa ene say ande na so ye Kristo ni na doctor ofro hu Kristo ni na prescribe and say birth control man kofo last meeting ye obi so we comedian so was Ghana for man nyina nyem nam se bra wo patch say o se wo mo papo pills o mo fa birth control nti amu o mo fu ado nam se bra na se pa na okay why ene ekum nipa ne bi amanfo nya fa abroad through a design papo pills e mama na twa na se bi kunu se e mama mu bi ma be ma na wo nya oba mi fi didi yenye ne mi so mi obi a mi didi pa mi upa na fufu si mi nem dia enya sam ketwa mi didi a me fruit mi ye don nso em fomo ba bere ma na ne oba dance na wanyem emma wo mere masisim omo na emma de ye hose nti wo be ma no hwe na wo bebre na wo ntumi mu bi o mfa nya me ho o se ye wo nhya asase so ma emma bani ye nemfa na japade emma ma ye nemfa so wo se wo nte ase ba wo de wo be ye japade asigana na wasanka awrade afuna awrade akwa afiri mogam dia na ne wo ankasa wakoye ho wakosa wo ho omoye nteno de wudru Yesu ani ma se awrade me a tie oba na eboso se papa yakomfi mi ni mi nyanye me wose o akuaja mi an metwa me ho awo emma sister na nkopa popels nko wo mpanye mfa ne ma nkohwehwe na se ma na funwa wa bra wonye monta obi hia na sister onye mana so mi hu ye ka age ne kura duru nanim kakra na kase ne hya se se ba na bia na eja wo fu ye pu kakra we nso de young girl 20 years 25 na fu di nanim e di na ha wo sa do Misram mi pamocho ebra ye womu eye breboni emumu ya doso nipa na bibiri do anodjo se Christopher ye moke too much enti mesrem se ye di awrade pe no ma wo hoden se wonam no bi kan bibitia papa no kan bibitia Christosom di atem kan samboni bia wotuma nya hoden di agina you have tough skin ye di atem nkan I'm not sure say me o mukeka bi chempa so me njene kura oti ase ebinumo they call themselves Christians me to me preaching men su boom o to me say preaching na me preaching ye good o wi o so me sha asomade no kaka bi a chebe no ko so what you say ono no say asomade nye me so me he Bible mu enti sa nso ba me preach pa obeto sa asomade hye me no odidi matamuka but ma me kan chiro Mima u kasa sana mankasa and you want to swap ahodi. Oh yes. Nyawa jisa. Now nese ubia bi na no. It's easy. Akola ubia otu biza ubetuma wona broso. Enye ni tipa nso ubia na no. No odi atam eno na ma no me ba But social media nti wo beto a no wodi di watema no ko de baby enti wo be de wanyina chemi busa di waja ne wona ni nye de wawo nko a wo nye de wano ankasa chemi wawo nko a obi o che wo bitima wo bia o si di waja ne wona ni ba enne ese ni wo obi abi na no no wodi atam na nipa wanyini che wo kra yi ni na tam obi ni che wo ntumi ngo kwa no wanyini che fie no wona ni ma nti me made bia me check wo mo me hwe na ketwa na ya disrespect ni nua na ma fra me se me chima ma disrespect uni apani o ye pani che by ne wo munya so wo kan sam na mfa ne lemu no odi ata ta wo benyi na chede nti na gonto so ya che edo so yo amre wo 40 ti fie me so wa ai I say abran ponsan da so che wo no ne ma me di 110 Mami 100 years or da so wa hode ko afum ko ba wo ko ne wan ko to no be ko na ibu betina se ache na da ya ko afum o ba 100 years or da so wa hode ko afum ba youngest look at the way they were dying look at the way they were dying meaning pounds say na mami 110 mami wa ni obebro 110 because wo sha hode udi gina ga bro agent ntiase so. But look at our youth now. We be no baby ni kwaso kasa kra no kasa. Nsema na nka first ni pa fere. So we be na no yaka eno ene bem ne da fom. So what you say? Bem ne da fom. Nso kan to kwa ba na nka tipenso fo na nka o mako. Ni we tuma we ya wo ye tipenso. We nso de na bi o. Wo no se wo bi na no kasa sa ni pa no. E ka fo wo ne de da na no. Yesem kwasia wofro didi atam obutum so betima wo no enye sakura ne wo fa seketwa na odi atam ene bu ni ho wo bakura wo no kura wo mu ti de bia me se wo ma me wo hwe wo ma me hwe bone a wo ba be di watam. Listen to this. Wo hwe wo ma me hwe bone a wo ba obedi di watam. Wo didi wo ma me atam wo ba bu Ubu mami oba obekum this for upgrading yourself to the obey biano no you will get the double portion of that sana ya netie ntu to na umu na ne waja umu mami no papa omukasa nyenyenyenye ubebebo oti ase and it will happen on our eyes because you wuntem ye be bomrewa ye be hwetama wo bebro so oti ase nti nsema ya ne fifiri mu bi mo ano ba no wo muadi wo fie wo de pia monten ni paso bu mu ahodo ni obi emi kasa tia no first wo bi bakra no tia konwa so kra no omuni muso enente sa eniti ni pa nyini nche wo hia na ma mi ni die mu wo de ni die be mama me no ne na kasa nkoye so what you say last girl if you so as niggas so honey wo so aku adon kom so di ma me nothing. I was like this. You see? Wow. And everything you do on this earth, it upgrade one kind. So what kind of buffon and maba will bring you? One yama minister. No matter what, my many a penny will bet me a woman. The way this lady. Are you kidding? Now, in Germany, probably is shit. To be a woman who be a tema. Who to me dinner temps I guess the children. So bad was so. Into how did the temps I was no men was that. No men brother, obey your mobosse. Obey your mobosse. Ubi were no word, Jimmy. Now, education tea, Yama Dibia, una way a manager. She said, we see Cassama men will be to my old. Look, you were a manager in your job. But the person who is under you, she's older than you, she can have you as her daughter or her son. Look at the way you were treating her. Look at the way, the filthy things that you talk to her because you are the manager. You're buying curses upon your life. Let me tell you. Because you are the manager and she's not. Look at the way you talk to her, especially hotel managers. Look at the way you talk to all these Spanish women. They can have you because they were here. They have accent. They don't have papers. They come under you to work. Okay? Look at the way you treat them. Do you think you hit 100 years? I don't think so. You will be going to gym. You will be eating clean. You can be oh we cry mom when na me from say. Oh mom when na me refinidi. Come catch na oh I mean na man nature so be oh boa. You can do all things. Take every do reflex, do everything. Because you did not respect your elders. Because when the case you high, and no shower sin with you, do such a filthy. Sister, if you knew what you were doing, but our life we did here is up. Mammy, you could talk to Papa, you could talk to by the way you talk to him. And go you move bring the case you were high. And when you the way I used to do that. A lady, her name is Someone in the champion. Me pena someone pem. Me to be just someone and Makacha said, we are not here to babysit you. Say Christo Nima, son of Bobra. Christo Nima, son of Bobra. And I pray to God, said the men near Baby Hosono, also when Nimra Hoso. Especially if you are more frequent to my babuchi. Ubi the Dibiaka Krabi because of medication, or Casa rubbish. Or Casa rough. Children penny fui. Mammy be afraid to have a babu so he did. What was it? Nebasta Subia Coca Fuachano. Come on. I don't think so. What it's on YouTube, any Facebook. Obi about the children didn't them. And we yo, any assembly. When we here, any assembly. America for you so well be they say if you don't have anything good to say, don't say it. Over to me say me preaching and the American in Koyimawa, you left. But don't leave anything that it will bring curses upon your life. Don't do it. The same thing last me who so focus you were preaching. Not some more can for be will be washed to the boss sexual did not them. Who has a baby nature? Who be your more boss say? Who be your more who be come down papa any channel and make her Aye. When you be a more say I want to chrono. Yet you know the 2 said you go near Kenya Mia Samantha can't cry. Can't cry. So what I know who can walk I will be so short as a egg. I can't crave on the Obeba. Jesus Christ will baby. Or baby, Namidia may walk. May catch up say, get your house in order. Sabri we are branting Baba, shall we and son of the Bonenaba. And yes, I will be a mobile. The Uncle Sunina Yaoko and Fitia said, dear senior preparation. Satan is preparing himself. He's getting his facts so that he can stop us. Get yourself ready. Also, show kukum nepa hodi on the bijina. Unkunkun too much. I see a bumpire. Unkunkun better than Yesu di bijao. Ubi the told you was saying, Unkunkre better than mu. Yesu di bijao. Befami no mu. Unkunkre better than mu. Yesu di bijao. Dear Echo says no. So unkunkre better than mu ntimina. So unkunkre better than mu a bad damn pa. So unkunkre better than mu be dre. Nti shase omuso mu bo mu ho akoso hyekokom ne bo bo wusi ne nyata mo mewrade no no so nyata mo ade bi urade mpeno emfa nka no nyesa wonte ne me pa cha wote ende mama ne bibrebe kakra bi sei because me click me watch party now let me just have to come and sit down and preach the gospel. You guys motivate me to come out here to speak the word of God. Miss Rade, so my semi kuku asase paso, no so moho. You know, correct your mistakes. Who got us a penny movie? I did Nenya, diamond penny for no monk. Stay away. Please. Jemum penny for no mundi mujumani, one penny for you. In Kotuman Pomrica. Miss Snow. Nemra way nimuno is so. Is so that this own way. Oh my 2 million who did between their soon day and night. On fun who's through ene ne ho adwendwen mmumra ye kraye ni nipadua mu ade bi wiye ye efiri Yesu Kristo mu no onyankopon Yesu Kristo onsi sa de krone kwan na ommoa ye ontintim yesi wo Kristo so mu onhwim ye mfiri ye busuo mu abosom egu a ekotie ni pampeso obesum Kristo no onhwim ye mfiri won sam because won ne kuta nsai mu oden ni abasai mu oden no onhwim ye mfiri gem na wonsiesie ye ansa na obi na ni monyam de biara da wo bompa ya ka kyerade so wonsiesie wansa na waba wonsiesie wansa na waba wonsiesie wansa na waba erade siesie mi ansa na waba erade siesie mi ansa na waba Jesus Christ siesie mi ansa na waba me mpesa wo beba me so mpofiri mu wabra me nya ready erade Yesu Kristo siesie mi mpai boni ni sufre no obeje oso obone no so nsen Christ o Yesu Kristo so se wo boni pie ni wa wadi a eso se Yesu Kristo an ma wontumi nye wo so what you say eniti dwane to an omo se Yesu ni ho no forget about them omo bobo adam omo se Yesu Kristo o mabium no forget about them omo bobo adam omo tiri ni fie don't listen to all that rubbish. Let your focus be on Christ. Ne ebia obejo. Obi nim jonkukura de obeche so me nana na ebu ne be. Obi nim jonkukura ade obeche so. Eniti misraw. Me paucho. I love you guys so much. I love you. You have no idea. Me tie chira. Nipa ne bi kondo. So mo sumo wrade. So honam e che wo musre. Misre wrade. So on fa ne tumi no momra nipa ne binya ko mbe ye bi urade pe sunsum ne pe nso honam ne yemre misre urade sa ommo misre urade sa ommo misre urade sa ommo misre Jesus Christ so omra won srabem omeboa di untumi no ommo wonyo me kai na nsen mitimi pepo pa wonse pepo no gire ho sese dua ufrem fro de sisi enim no ye pese bi hu Yesu na no fi ma bam kudru fifi ade no so eyi se e de say remwes that dear pa straight ti se bi we to see so na ye sit straight ti me ba fam de na me bi wu e hu de ye no bi de ma hye chi wo de me hura kosi apampa Yesu Kristo na yesa me sre no se bepo bi edi wonim omfa nguru kosi apampa netinya mesumude no wakasa watene na wohu baabi ye gina baabi ye duro ene baabi ye kɔ na wabɔ bra si Kristo ni misere wade so wo mo metifo ifri tetetetete mo di mamia no twa chia ne so wanya nkɔ be ha me misere wade so wo fan se mo de ni abase mo de enan na wotu ba ko no wotu ba ko kan nitimi gina ni nyina yin kodi den sada nyesa me betena yi dede ne me nya okra bia me soma ye adwuma yihu itwase yi nyina ikodi den. We don't belong to the hellfire. We don't belong there. We don't belong to the me say it will be a me some YouTube na me hwe omo nso mo twa yi ne kakra heaven na me hwe dino obehe manase me do live and say oh live I dan we gate we an mu me wura live I don't know ha tribe of what we omo dia ye do no 12 na wo hwe nipa omo kora o masha da gi capture no obi didi ne de hu na niso ade hu no masha da de video no the way you see everybody is wearing white na wo hwe kuru ni mu a ai wo sim futuru mu American futuru yi na wo hwe kuru ni mu a oh white ai wo sim betena mo mpeso mo tena mo nikai yedi ye no munko ye ni atio ni ati erade Yesu Kristo me da wasese wadi nkoni me hyawo ni munyam so de asemi ama wo ma na wakasa kire wo makoma ene wo madwene eni munyam ne yeyi enka wodi nkronkron so wadi nkoni mama ye wadum nti am obeka ha me menka mi se mi hyawo ite me fata me tu ma practice bia menka na me wadi de krasa me hu tadi no si ya bana sa tadi na nyame edie Na masuna ya no. Hey, ase ne white ne tibia no, ne white bia no. You can describe it. Yes, white no, but the white tibia no. And when you're cotton, and when you're linen, it's the white tibia no, you can describe it all. Papa. I don't know how to describe the white tibia, and I had the best. I mean to me describe it. Me the many cruelty we see me. Me say what's a befata.
Me shall do some. And I'm going to say, Saba be a nipa to nipa go. Wrong.
Yeah.
It was what you said.
As in
the word Christ, what the answer say? Was it? Some two say.
You may now subscribe.